Okay, so we got a hole in the floor, right? All right, so basically you got to buy another piece somewhere. I cut it out exactly to the beams, right? And I got a little bit on each edge here. Make sure you clean this edge out and down underneath there real good. Now, on your replacement board, usually it's got tongue and groove when you're putting it in. But you've got to take off that little bit of bottom there for a small piece, otherwise you just can't get one piece in there. It's basically impossible. So, then, just measure it out. And you want to start it in the groove. You see how I got started in the groove like that, right? And then generally speaking, I like to take another piece of board and just kind of bang it on in there. And see how it came in there pretty darn good. Now, I always use these little finish screws, trim screws they call them, to anchor that all in there. And so let's do that. Okay, so there you go. So this floor is painted. Oh boy.